Active Data simplifies the process of adding calculated columns in Excel by providing you with a set of dialogues to enter your formulas. Here we'll use the Formula Builder to recalculate the amount field by multiplying the quantity by unit price. We'll specify that the output column should have 2 decimal places, and click the Add button to generate the calculated column. You can use Active Data to generate a conditional value for a calculated column. Here we're going to calculate the commission column based on the following condition. Conditional values make use of Excel's built-in if function. Here our condition is that if the quantity is greater than or equal to 5 units, we want to set the commission value to 40%. Otherwise, we want to set the commission value to 25%. We'll confirm the number of decimal places at 2 and click the Add button. And now we can see that the commission column has been calculated and we've assigned 40% to all items where the quantity was greater than or equal to 5. Active Data provides you with a number of useful functions that you can use in formulas within your worksheets. Here we're going to use the AD quarter function to calculate the invoice date's quarter. That is the quarter in which the invoice was issued. You can also create a column that calculates the difference between 2 dates in your worksheet. Here we're going to compare the payment date to the invoice date. The resulting column shows the number of days difference between the 2 dates. You can also create a random number column. Here we specify that we want values that are greater than -5 and less than or equal to +5.